Did you know that nearly 70% of leaders fail to influence their teams effectively? What if the key to your success lies in understanding these 48 laws? Let's dive in. Welcome back. Today, we're exploring the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. These principles are not just historical anecdotes. They are essential tools for effective leadership in our complex, competitive world. Understanding these laws helps leaders navigate tricky power dynamics, build influence, and foster successful teams. So why should you care? Because mastering these laws can transform your leadership style and enhance your ability to inspire others. Leaders face numerous challenges: manipulation from others, fierce competition, and the ever-complex human behavior that can derail even the best strategies. Many leaders struggle to gain respect and influence, often feeling powerless in their roles. The truth is, without a solid understanding of power dynamics, leaders may find themselves outmaneuvered and overlooked. So what can be done? This is where the 48 Laws of Power come into play. Here's a breakdown of each of the 48 Laws of Power, along with examples and psychological insights to illustrate their applications in leadership scenarios. 1. Never outshine the master. Example: an employee who consistently delivers excellent results ensures their boss receives the credit. Psychological insight: people in power feel insecure. Making them feel superior builds loyalty and support. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Example: a leader hires a former rival who is eager to prove themselves. Psychological insight: friends may betray you out of jealousy, while enemies can become highly motivated allies. 3. Conceal your intentions. Example: a manager keeps upcoming strategies under wraps to avoid sabotage. Psychological insight: keeping your cards close prevents others from undermining your plans. 4. Always say less than necessary. Example: a leader who speaks less during meetings often commands more respect. Psychological insight: speaking less can create an aura of mystery and authority, encouraging others to listen more. 5. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. Example: a business leader actively manages their public image. Psychological insight: reputation influences how others perceive and react to you, impacting your power. 6. Court attention at all costs. Example: a leader uses bold marketing strategies to stand out in a crowded market. Psychological insight: being noticed is essential for influence. Visibility equals power. 7. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Example: a leader delegates tasks effectively while ensuring their name is associated with the successful outcome. Psychological insight: leveraging others' efforts maximizes productivity while enhancing your reputation. 8. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. Example: a leader creates compelling opportunities that attract top talent to their team. Psychological insight: drawing others in positions you as the authority and increases your allure. 9. Win through your actions, never through argument. Example: a leader who demonstrates success through results rather than debate. Psychological insight: actions are more persuasive than words, fostering respect and authority. 10. Infection: avoid the unhappy and unlucky. Example: a leader distances themselves from negative team members. Psychological insight: emotions are contagious. Surrounding yourself with positivity fosters a healthier work environment. 11. Learn to keep people dependent on you. Example: a manager develops unique skills that make them indispensable to the team. Psychological insight: creating dependency ensures your position and influence. 12. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. Example: a leader builds trust through occasional acts of generosity before negotiating. Psychological insight: small acts of honesty can disarm skepticism, making others more receptive. 13. When asking for help, appeal to people's self-interest, never to their mercy or gratitude. Example: a leader frames a request by highlighting benefits for the other party. Psychological insight: people are motivated by self-interest. Align your requests with their goals. 14. Pose as a friend. Work as a spy. Example: A manager gathers information informally during social gatherings. Psychological insight. Understanding others' motives enhances your strategic advantage. 15. Crush your enemy totally. Example, a leader eliminates a rival's influence to secure their position. Psychological insight. Leaving no room for retaliation prevents future conflicts. 16. Use absence to increase respect and honor. Example, a leader takes a strategic leave, creating a sense of scarcity. Psychological insight. Absence can enhance your value and respect when you return. 17. Keep others in suspended terror. Cultivate an air of unpredictability. Example, a leader makes sudden changes to keep the team on their toes. Psychological insight. Unpredictability creates an environment where people are more cautious and compliant. 18. Do not build fortresses to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. Example, a leader actively engages with various teams rather than isolating themselves. Psychological insight. Isolation limits your resources and perspectives. Staying connected enhances your influence. 19. Know who you're dealing with. Do not offend the wrong person. Example, a leader carefully navigates relationships to avoid conflicts with powerful stakeholders. Psychological insight. Understanding interpersonal dynamics is crucial for maintaining power. 20. Do not commit to anyone. Example, a leader remains neutral in conflicts to maintain flexibility. Psychological insight. Commitment can limit your options. Staying neutral preserves your power. 21. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. Example, a leader feigns ignorance to gather information from a more arrogant competitor. Psychological insight. Underestimating others can lead to strategic advantages. 22. Use the surrender tactic. Transform weakness into power. Example, a leader strategically retreats in a negotiation to gain the upper hand later. Psychological insight. Surrendering can create opportunities for future strength. 23. Concentrate your forces. Example, a leader focuses resources on a key project for maximum impact. Psychological insight. Concentrating efforts enhances effectiveness and influence. 24. Play the perfect courtier. Example, a leader masters the art of flattery and charm to navigate office politics. Psychological insight. Social skills are pivotal for influence. Adept courtiers thrive in hierarchical environments. 25. Recreate yourself. Example, a leader reinvents their personal brand to adapt to changing market conditions. Psychological insight. Self-reinvention keeps you relevant and influential. 26. Keep your hands clean. Example, a leader delegates difficult tasks, maintaining an untarnished reputation. Psychological insight. Maintaining a pristine image is vital for long-term power. 27. Play on people's need to believe to create a cult-like following. Example, a leader crafts a compelling vision that inspires a dedicated team. Psychological insight. People are drawn to strong narratives. A compelling vision fosters loyalty. 28. Enter action with boldness. Example, a leader makes decisive moves in uncertain situations. Psychological insight. Boldness inspires confidence and respect. Indecision breeds doubt. 29. Plan all the way to the end. Example, a leader anticipates potential obstacles in a project and prepares solutions. Psychological insight. Comprehensive planning minimizes risks and enhances success. 30. Make your accomplishments seem effortless. Example, a leader downplays the effort behind a successful project. Psychological insight. Making success look easy enhances admiration and influence. 31. Control the options. Get others to play with the cards you deal. Example, a leader presents choices that align with their goals while giving the illusion of freedom. Psychological insight. Controlling options steers decisions while maintaining a facade of choice. 32. Play to people's fantasies. Example, a leader appeals to team members' dreams and aspirations to motivate them. Psychological insight. People are motivated by their fantasies. Tapping into these can drive engagement. 33. Discover each man's thumbscrew. Example, a leader identifies what motivates or demotivates each team member. Psychological insight. Understanding personal triggers allows for more effective influence. 34. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. Example, a leader carries themselves with confidence and authority. Psychological insight. Self-perception shapes how others perceive you. Confidence breeds respect. 35. Master the art of timing. Example, a leader knows when to push an initiative and when to hold back. Psychological insight. Timing can greatly influence outcomes. Patience and awareness are key. 36. Disdain things you cannot have. Ignoring them is the best revenge. Example, a leader refrains from engaging with competitors who can't be outperformed. Psychological insight. Ignoring threats can diminish their power over you. 37. Create compelling spectacles. Example, a leader organizes impressive events to showcase company achievements. Psychological insight. Visual and emotional stimuli capture attention and enhance influence. 38. Think as you like, but behave like others. Example, a leader adopts common social practices while maintaining their unique views privately. Psychological insight. Conforming outwardly helps avoid conflict while preserving your authenticity. 39. Stir up waters to catch fish. Example, a leader emphasizes the value of hard work and merit over handouts. Psychological insight. People appreciate earned rewards more than free offers, enhancing respect. 41. Avoid stepping into a great man's shoes. Example, a new leader carves out their identity rather than mimicking a predecessor. Psychological insight. Originality fosters respect. Imitating can lead to comparisons and dissatisfaction. 42. Strike the shepherd and the sheep will scatter. Example, a leader addresses the source of disruption to restore order. Psychological insight. Removing influential troublemakers can stabilize the environment. 43. Work on the hearts and minds of others. Example, a leader builds emotional connections with their team to inspire loyalty. Psychological insight. Emotional engagement fosters deeper connections and influence. 44. Disarm and infuriate with the mirror effect. Example, a leader reflects the behaviors of challenging team members to highlight their actions. Psychological insight. Mirroring can disarm opponents and reveal their flaws. 45. Preach the need for change but never reform too much at once. Example, a leader introduces changes gradually to avoid resistance. Psychological insight. Change can be unsettling. Gradual adaptation fosters acceptance. 46. Never appear too perfect. Example, a leader shares minor flaws or mistakes to build relatability. Psychological insight. Perfection can breed envy. Showcasing vulnerability can enhance connection. 47. Do not go past the mark you aimed for. In victory, learn when to stop. Example, a leader recognizes when to consolidate gains rather than push further. Psychological insight. Overreaching can lead to downfall. Knowing when to stop is crucial for sustainability. 48. Assume formlessness. Example, a leader adapts their strategies to meet changing circumstances. Psychological insight. Flexibility allows leaders to navigate unpredictability and maintain influence. Each of these laws is backed by psychological insights and historical examples, demonstrating their effectiveness in real-life leadership scenarios. Understanding these principles can mean the difference between success and failure. Let's focus on one particularly impactful law, the law of influence. Consider the case of a CEO who turned around a failing company by implementing this law. By empowering his team and making them feel valued, he shifted the power dynamics within the organization. This led to increased productivity, morale, and ultimately success. This case illustrates how understanding power dynamics can lead to dramatic shifts in leadership effectiveness. In summary, the 48 laws of power offer invaluable insights for leaders looking to navigate the complexities of influence and authority. By applying these laws, you can enhance your leadership style, build stronger relationships, and achieve your goals more effectively. Remember, power isn't just about control, it's about understanding people. I want to hear from you. Which law do you find most intriguing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on leadership and psychology. Until next time, Keep leading with purpose.